Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about the testing that I do for my first grader at the end of the year. And they are actually printables that I got from online and they were free. If you want them after I get done, just leave me a comment and just give me a little bit of time. My daughter's actually graduating, so I'm kind of really busy right now. Yesterday we had her award ceremony. Next week is her graduation, so just give me a little time so I can go through my files and things like that and find out exactly where I got it from and then post it down below. So and when I post it, I'll tag you and let you know it's there so you can find it. So anyways, the tests actually come with these little bubbles, whatever you want to call them, for them to do their answers in. So I think it's going to be like really good practice for him in case another year I would like to do like a state testing for him. I can do it and he'll know what he's doing. These tests are not for me to give to anybody. It's for me to know how well he's done through the year, if there's anything missing that I should cover during the summer, something he's not understanding, things like that before he goes into second grade. So let me show you. So the first piece of paper is actually reading comprehension. So they have a test. They have to read from the story and then they just have to answer. And it's kind of like a little pack. It's got different stories in there. Like the option is you can do one a day or you can do them all at once. I mean, it's up to you. I'm planning on just doing one a day. And then we have grammar. So for grammar, this is the actual whole test. So for grammar, you pretty much have to do the whole testing. And this is for first grade only. And he'll just read the question and then answer. And it's things like the correct ending, what words mean, which word is best to use in that sentence, verbs, nouns, adjectives, question marks, what word belongs in there, which is a noun, and then it gives, from the sentence that they give you, things like that. So that would be the grammar. And then there's also a section for vocabulary. So for vocabulary, it's like, for example, which word could you add to skate to make a compound word? And then it gives them a bunch of words to pick from. The word that means the opposite of whatever word is in there. The correct word ending for the underlined word. What does the word blank mean in the sentence? So completing the sentence with one of the words that are chosen in there. Things like that. So that's part of the grammar. And then you also have the your answer key to it if you were to need it. So I printed mine out just in case, but it should be easy enough for first grade. And then on top of that, we also have more bubbles because there's also another section to the test. And this one is for math. So I also printed out the answer key, and it gives you an answer key for each of the tests that he'll be doing. So for math, there is like data, which is just graphing. There is geometry. So there's like a test, and there's different tests in here for different parts of geometry. Shapes and if both sides are the same, symmetrical, sorting shapes, things like that. And then there's also a test on measurement. So there's a measurement test. And the measurement test has like a little ruler. It has the time that they also have to do, gallons in there. And then there's also number operations. So there's a test for that. There's like word problems in here as well on that same test. And then we also have another section of tests, another subject, and also my little bubbles, of course. And then this one is pretty much language arts. So this one's like sentence construction. So, and that's the answer key. And for the sentence construction, it's, for example, like which sentence has two actions, which one's the action word, the sentence that they give above, is it a word, a paragraph, or a sentence? They have to explain that kind of thing. They show them a picture, and then one sentence goes with the picture. I'm completing the sentence up here. And then there's grammar phonics. So this is like, it gives sentences here, and they have to do like the question mark, and down here they'll read the sentence, and it's asking them for the part of speech that is underlined. What else? Let me see. And that's for like a few of those sentences are actually like that. And then they have research. So there's another test for research. And it's asking about pages in a book, how to write a story, what do you find in a dictionary, what you can learn from the word that they underlined in a dictionary. The title page in a book, where is it found? So pretty much like going over a dictionary, teaching those types of lessons to a first grader is actually going to be good for that test, which my son's doing, studying that. He studied the first half of it. I gotta get into like table of contents and things like that, but he's doing really good. So pretty much that's what's in the test. If you guys are interested, like I said, just leave me down a comment below, and I will try and do this as quickly as possible, but please have a little bit of patience while I get through my oldest daughter graduating high school. And if you see a few other videos with me in the same shirt, I'm trying to catch up on videos and trying to get you guys some information. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.